equal to t. Sixth problem, x power 4 equal to t. Seventh problem, integral x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx x power 9 equal to t. 9 x power 8 dx equal to dt. X power 8 dx equal to dt by 9. So this is dt by 9 1 by 1 plus t square. This 9 is this one, 1 by 9. 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x tan inverse t plus c. 1 by 9 tan inverse t value x power 9 plus c. Next, fifth Roman, seventh bit, a plus b cot x equal to t. Eighth bit, cos x cos theta equal to t. Cos theta equal to t. Next, sixth Roman first bit, integral 1 by 1 plus 4x square. All of you listen. In the last class, some more 9 important formulas. What are they? Integral under root x square minus a square minus x square, a square plus x square, 1 by without root 3 formulas, and another 3 formulas in the numerator, same functions. These 9 are the most important. Listen, this is a very important model. In all these 9 formulas, x square coefficient either plus 1 or minus 1, and constant must be in the form of a square. Observe 2 points. Number 1, x square coefficient must be either plus 1 or minus 1. Second point, constant always in the form of a square. So listen this problem. First listen, dx. Listen, integral 1 by, we want coefficient of x square either plus 1 or minus 1. So take plus 4 common. 4 common. X square plus 1 by 4 dx. This 4 is this one. 1 by x square constant always in the form of a square term. So 1 by 4 write as 1 by 2 whole square. So this is in the form of 1 by a square plus x square 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. First take 4 common, then the constant is 1 by 4. Write the constant in the form of a square 1 by 4 becomes to 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by a square plus x square 1 by 4 into 1 by a value 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a value 1 by 2. 2 times cancel. 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2x. 1 by 2 tan inverse 2x. Next, third bit, integral 3 by under root 9x square minus 1. Take 9 common. 3 by under root 9 into x square minus 1 by 9 dx. First take 9 common. Root 9 value 3. This 3 is this one. Root 9 value is 3. 1 by under root x square. Write this constant in the a square form. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square. One by x square minus a square cos h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse 3x. 3x plus c. Next, integral under root 16 minus 25 x square. First, x square coefficient either plus 1 or minus 1. So take 25 common. Integral square root of Take 25 common. 16 by 25. 16 by 25 minus x square. Root 25 value 5 by constant 4 by 5 whole square minus x square dx. First take 25 common. 16 by 25. Write in the a square form. 4 by 5 whole square. See on the board. A square minus x square dx. This is the formula. A square minus x square, x by 2 into a square minus x square, a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Write that formula. X by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. This 5 is this. X is x by 2. Write the same function. Write the same function under root 4 by 5 whole square. Write the same function 4 by 5 whole square minus x square plus a square value 16 by 25. A square value 16 by 25 by 2 sin inverse x value x, a value 4 by 5 5 into x by 2 under root 4 by 5 whole square minus x square plus 16 by 25 16 by 25 into 1 by 2 sin inverse 5x by 4 plus c. 2 table 8 times cancel.